All right, I got my new Surfstar 12.5 board. I guess it's more focused for speed instead of balance. I'm gonna see how I do on it. We're not gonna need this because we got automatic pump that Chris gave me a link to. Let's see what all we got here.
Say what it is.
We got the, what is this, Chris?
A leash.
The thing I don't use. I got my fin. I got one fin. We need some more somewhere. Oh, and I like the bag. My last one had a bag that you had to fold up around it. Very bad. Let's see here. This thing is 12.5 feet long. It's not gonna fit on the table. Wow. It's huge. Look at that. It's like one of them cigarette boats for the Marines. Well, I'll probably hit about 10 knots on that. Comes with a decent paddle. Let me get it out of the plastic. Probably have to tighten this one up for me, Chris.
All right, yeah, we do that for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you a Surfstar ambassador, Chris?
I think so.
I think you should be. They should send you one of these.
Yes.
They should. And this is what sold me on it when I rode Chris's, the one he let me borrow, seeing how he's a Surfstar ambassador. The padding on the top, because my ankles get sore. All right, we're gonna pump it up, right?
Yes.
All right, let's pump it up. Oh, what is the pressure? Let's see. It is 15. Let's go.